Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mubin, and in this video I've got two new phones for you all. One is the Samsung Galaxy M30s and the other is Xiaomi Note 7s. I have both the phones with me. My friend is having that and we'll get that. We'll do the unboxing. I'll give you the specification details and we'll try to get little bit of review about both the phones together. Okay, now I'm going to get the phone with my friend, and so here are the boxes. This one was bought from Amazon, this one was bought from Flipkart. Both were delivered in good condition. So first we'll go with the Samsung Galaxy M30s. As you can see on the box, the details are mentioned. It's the M30s and it is the humongous ROM kind of device that is 128 GB. It has very huge 6000 mAh battery, the first ever in any device. It has 48 megapixel triple camera with Super AMOLED screen. And here the other details, we'll go and check that later. Okay, coming back to the other device, that's our Redmi Note 7s. Going into the specification, the Note 7s, it is the 48 megapixel 5 megapixel dual rear camera, Qualcomm 660, that's the Snapdragon processor. It has 6.3, that is the screen size, and it has 4000 mAh of battery. So these are the two phones. We'll get the phones out of the boxes and we'll show you the content of the box. Okay, so we are in new frame so that we can get a whole new idea about the phones, the Samsung and the Xiaomi. So we'll go with the Samsung first. Our friend Mr. Happy is also present here, and my friend Mr. Vijay Gautam is gonna give me the scissor. So let's do the unboxing of this device. So finally the phone is gonna come out. Ta-da! That's our phone. That's one more pouch inside the box. Let's see what it is. Oh my god, look at that. The M30s, premium white color, premium finish. You have the charging adapter. You have the charging cable. This is the Type-C cable. Unfortunately, we don't have any earphones with this because all the manufacturers nowadays are avoiding those expenses, not providing any earphones. Here in this pouch we have the SIM tray ejector. As you can see, let's check what are the other things inside. Surprisingly, we don't get the back cover as well, not even the silicone, the cheaper one. So Samsung has gone to a level where they are not even providing back cases. So that's the M30. Now we'll go to the other phone, that is the Redmi. Wonderful packing nowadays by all the manufacturers. The smooth finishing. It has also got a pouch. Let's see what is that. Here we have the phone, the amazing blue sapphire blue phone, dual rear camera, excellent screen. Okay, so here we have the black color charging adapter, the charging cable. This one also includes the Type-C charging cable. Same is the case with Xiaomi, they don't provide the earphones with the device. Now let's check the small packet that we got. Okay, that's great. You can see a few leaflets, and we have got a very nice silicone case, a transparent one that would highlight the phone's sapphire blue color. Okay, those were the contents of the box. Now let's cut the video. So let's get this back. We'll keep them aside. Get both the phones. And now we'll focus on starting the phones. So here's the power button. Here's the power button. We'll switch on both the devices. So as you can see, both the devices are starting to boot up. Let's see the boot time for both the devices, which one wins. Okay, which one? Please write down your comments, which one would win. Okay, the Samsung has won the race, but with a very small margin. See, it says welcome the starting of Samsung, and the Redmi shows the MIUI. We'll just get rid of the stickers on it, and I'll show you the details. The sticker for MI is out. Here is the MIUI 10 that is coming with the phone, and that's the setup. We'll do it later on. And with the Samsung, it's crystal clear. We'll just go ahead. It's asking for inserting the SIM, check out the details and other details to start up the phone. You have to add all the details that you have read the terms and conditions, and you'll have to go forward and start the phone. So that's it with the phone, the devices, the specification, the box contents. In the next video, we'll try to get the internal specification, the software details, and the hardware design and features. Okay, so ciao from me, ciao from my friend and all the crew that have helped me today. See you. Give a thumbs up, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, give me more motivation to make such more videos. Okay, ciao, see ya, bye bye.